Many people are confused about connecting which connector on microwave PCB connected where. I will tell you one simple method how to connect wires properly. If you see, there is a information VPC, grill, convection, main. So first we will start with the grill. So come to grill heater. Now these two wire, the brown here, don't remember the wire, you remember the position. So in this particular model, the wire is connected to the grill is brown color. And this is a brown dotted wire. So if you see here, this brown color dotted wire is sitting on the grill. So you should always connect this. You have to refer to the grill heater wire and you have to connect over here. Similarly, come to convection. See, this is convection wire because quad tubes. Now here it is yellow color. Now it is convection. See, convection wire is connected here. So remember, for example, these wires are connected in reverse manner. That is not a problem. For example, this can be connected this way. Now we know grill and convection. Remember, more blue color wires always should be main. More blue color wires should be always main. So when you connect 3, the last one is at VPC.